So I like to put a little anti-seize on our threads for the exhaust. Just to help alleviate any future issues before we install our pipe or exhaust. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install his exhaust. There we go. Okay, you want to hold that for a second. I'm going to just get the flange on here and then just get a couple nuts on just to hold it in place. I could do one there. There we go. So let's go ahead and make sure these wires for the O2 sensors are properly routed.
This guy here.
So I think before
drop down.
If I remember correctly before, you probably get that on. Let's get this
just rest
routed down it through there. Oh, that was the nut for that. So this. So was this clipped on something?
No.
No? So that's one of the old ones. We're gonna cut that off so it doesn't confuse anyone. So let me go grab a little dike. So I'm going to cut this old retainer off. That way it doesn't confuse anyone. All right, so then this routed down through here.
Trying to get it behind there. Oh, maybe I can't because there's. Okay, almost got it. There it goes.
There we go. Got that through.
Here.
I'm going to put this just on the other side of this sensor here. There we go. And there's a little retainer there, a little retainer over here. Perfect. Yep. So I'm going to finish getting these nuts on the exhaust. And then we'll get that tune loaded on the bike and fire her up. I say we try it without the pipe on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be loud.
It's gonna sound fancy.
So let's get this tightened up. Let's get the tune loaded. And then probably wipe off your exhaust if you don't of anything that we may not want on there. Slide in the pipe on. Be pretty close.
Pretty close.
Okay. You'll have a little bit of tweaking to do once I tighten these up.
That's it right there.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the exhaust bolts.
I should probably put anti-seize on these.
You don't need to on those. It's just where it gets really hot. Just snug those.
I can already feel it. It's better than when I first put it on. This was kind of bound a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I think we used a small 1/2 inch ratchet for that. So that was a tight little spot. Okay, so that's snug there. Yep. Nope, actually, it's a little too big.
That's too big.
Yeah.
9/16.
Probably. Yep, that's definitely it.
Does not want to move.